In a class of 20 students, 8 take both English and French, 12 students have English as a subject, and 14 students have French as a subject. The remaining students do not take any of these languages. Represent the situation with a Venn diagram and then calculate the probability that the student will take either English or French. So let's start off with our Venn diagram. We will have E representing English, the event that the student takes English, and F be the event that the student takes French. So let's draw our sets of events. E for English, F for French, and then we have the room for the students that don't take English or French. And this is our entire sample space. So we're told to begin with that 8 students take both English and French. So E intersect F is the event that a student takes English and French, and there are 8 such students. So whenever you encounter a situation with Venn diagrams, it's usually best with intersections. It's usually best to start working from the intersections outwards. So we have got 8 students that we know take both English and French. We're then told that there are 12 students that have English as a subject. So 12 students have English as a subject. So among those 12, there are students that just have English, and there are also students that have English and French. So we have to say 12 minus the 8. And this 8 is the intersection. So 12 minus 8. Then we have to do the same thing for the French language students. There are 14 students that have French as a language. So 14 minus 8. So now we need to evaluate the totals. So for English, we know that the total number of students has to be 12 because it's 12 minus 8 plus 8. But the number of students that take English solely is 12 minus 8, which is 4. And the number of students that take only French without English is 14 minus 8, which is 6. So 4 plus 8 plus 6 is the union of E and F. So E union F is equal to E plus F minus E intersection with F. So E union F, this is all the students that take either English or French. So they can either have just English, English and French, or they can have just French. So the number of students that take English is 4 plus 8, which is 12. The number of students that take French, as we're told in the question, is 14. And then we need to subtract from it the intersection. So there are 8 students that do both English and French. So English as union with French is equal to 18. So we've got 18 students inside of this E union F. That means that from our class of 20 students, 18 take either English or French. That means that the remainder, which is the two students, they don't have English or French as a subject. So then, if we are asked to calculate the probability that the students will take either English or French, the probability of E union F, this is equal to E union F over the number of events that occur in the entire sample space. And since we're told that there are 20 students in the class, that means that we've got 18 over 20, which is equal to 0.9.